Hello, welcome to another review. This is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds. Are you a native of Missouri and love bird songs or bird watching and currently looking for a bird book that will help you with bird identification or a guide to birds so that you will learn all the things about birds? If you're living in Missouri and currently looking for a field guide, then the Birds Missouri Field Guide would be the perfect product for you. This is a guide which is prepared by Stan Tequila. This item offers an easy-to-use format so that you don't need to know a bird's name or classification in order to easily find it in this field guide. You will find that this field guide is a real pleasure to read. Even your kids will surely love reading it. This is ideal for bird lovers, kids, adults, library, or for collection. Be sure that you know all the elegant and lovely birds that Missouri offers. Learn about and identify birds by using this field guide. This item offers full-page color photos which are incomparable and include insets of winter plumage, color morphs, and more. Now is the perfect time to grab this field guide. Buy the Bird Missouri Field Guide today at a very affordable price and see to it that you can broaden your knowledge about the birds in Missouri. Until next time, this is Katrina from Patio Garden Ponds.